Okay, I was just gifted this water bottle. I wanted to show you how it comes. It comes with so many awesome tools that I did not expect. So let's get into it. So this water bottle, we have the water bottle itself. And of course, this is the coolest thing. We have, you know, this can be a handle. We can open this up. You can use it to drink. It's like a great little water bottle, but also if you're like taking it to the gym or if you have it out and about and you are watching something, you can use this as like a phone stand. This is a MagSafe case. It should work with your MagSafe cases or your phones. And this is like a heavy enough water bottle that it doesn't feel like it's gonna tip over. It feels very sturdy. It feels like I could use this while I'm walking on the treadmill and have this in the cup holder and then have my phone playing something. Or I could be watching a video. You can turn it either way, like this or like this. It's like such a cool plus for these water bottles. So there's the water bottle itself, but wait, there's more. Let me show you. So in the box, we also have this little straw cleaner. So we also have, and I haven't even opened it up. It's so incredible. If you are like me, cleaning the bottle is the absolute worst part of having water bottles. But we have this tool and this. So this is the part of the handle. We'll see if it'll pop on there really fast. And you guys, it's like a scrub brush for your bottle. We have a nice little scrubby that you can use, and it makes it so nice and easy to wash your bottles. You can use this for this bottle specifically. You could use it for all your water bottles, but we have a bottle cleaner. This is genius that it's coming together, and a straw cleaner, and they come together with the water bottle. I do love that this water bottle also has a lock. If you push it down, it will not open. If you have it up, it opens up. And that's great, especially if you have kids like mine that like to backwash into your water. So luckily I can lock the ones out that backwash. So we have this little, here, I'll see if I can show you. We have two holes right there. We have the main water hole and then a little hole back here too. The straw cleaner is probably for this back here. It does not come with a straw. I did not see a straw in here, but I wonder if you could get a straw and just use this as a pour water bottle or a sucking water bottle. Anyways, it feels like a great quality. I love that it's stainless steel inside. It does have a silicone little sleeve on the bottom, so it's not gonna clink around. It's going to be like nice and quiet when you set it down like this. Like it's not making a whole lot of noise like it would if it didn't have the sleeve. So looks like a great water bottle. We're very excited to use it. I'm very excited about being able to clean it easily too. So if you are looking into water bottles, highly suggest you look into this one.